In modern warfare, cutting-edge technology often dominates headlines. But on the battlefields of Ukraine, a different story is unfolding. One where ingenuity and resourcefulness are proving just as crucial as advanced weaponry. This is the story of Ukraine's homemade drones, low-cost, rapidly adaptable, and making an unprecedented impact on the conflict. Today, we explore how these innovative systems are changing the face of modern warfare. Join us as we examine the development, deployment, and profound influence of these unlikely heroes of the sky. When the full-scale invasion began, Ukraine faced a significant challenge in aerial reconnaissance and precision strike capabilities against a larger, more technologically advanced adversary. While relying on international military aid, a parallel grassroots movement emerged, driven by necessity, patriotism, and a deep well of technical expertise. This movement focused on developing drones that were easy to produce, affordable, and highly effective in the field. The concept is surprisingly simple, yet revolutionary. Adapt readily available commercial drone technology for military purposes, or build specialized platforms using accessible components. From repurposed civilian quadcopters to fixed-wing drones crafted from composite materials, Ukrainian engineers, IT specialists, and even hobbyists began designing and fabricating these aerial tools. This decentralized approach allowed for rapid innovation and adaptation, far quicker than traditional military procurement cycles. The focus was on functionality over fanfare, often utilizing off-the-shelf components for speed and cost efficiency. The impact of these low-cost drones on the battlefield has been staggering. Reconnaissance and targeting. Small, agile drones provide real-time intelligence, spotting enemy positions, troop movements, and equipment. This reconnaissance is vital for artillery adjustments, allowing Ukrainian forces to pinpoint targets with unprecedented accuracy, even from kilometers away. They turn conventional artillery into precision weapons. Precision strike. Many of these drones are adapted to carry small, improvised explosive devices or grenades. These kamikaze or bomb-dropping drones can be directed with deadly accuracy against vehicles, dug-in positions, or even individual soldiers, often disabling high-value targets with minimal cost. The element of surprise and the ability to strike from above are game changers. Situational awareness. For individual units on the front lines, these drones offer an immediate overhead view, enhancing their understanding of the local battlefield, identifying threats and planning movements. This vastly improves troop safety and tactical effectiveness. Psychological impact. The constant presence of these drones, coupled with their ability to deliver precise strikes, has a significant psychological effect on enemy forces, creating a pervasive sense of vulnerability. The development process is a testament to Ukrainian ingenuity. Civilian tech companies pivoted to military production, volunteers crowdsourced funds for components, and engineers worked tirelessly to refine designs. Feedback from the front lines is instantaneously incorporated, leading to rapid iterations and improvements. This agile development cycle means that countermeasures implemented by the enemy are quickly met with new drone designs or tactics, creating a continuous technological arms race where adaptability is key. These homemade drones present a unique challenge to traditional military doctrines. They demonstrate that overwhelming force isn't always about the most expensive, most sophisticated hardware. Sometimes it's about distributed, low-cost, high-volume systems that can overwhelm defenses through sheer numbers and persistent presence. They are disrupting conventional warfare, emphasizing the power of innovation, rapid prototyping, and grassroots initiative in modern conflict. The story of Ukraine's homemade drones is a powerful lesson in wartime innovation. It highlights how resourcefulness combined with technical skill and an urgent need can create weapon systems that deliver high impact for a low cost. These aren't just tools of war, they are symbols of resilience, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of defense. What are your thoughts on the impact of low-cost, homemade drones in modern conflicts? Do you believe this trend will redefine future military strategies? Share your perspective in the comments below. If you found this exploration of Ukraine's innovative drone technology compelling and insightful, please give this video a thumbs up. And for more in-depth analyses of aviation, defense technology, and their global impact, make sure to subscribe to the Aviation Archives. Don't miss our next discussion.